Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video I'll be showing you not everyone can message this account Instagram how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store and on the search bar simply type in Instagram. And then once it loads, all you gotta do is just tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. But if you are still having the issue, then what you can do is head over to your Instagram, then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap on three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen. And once you're inside here, scroll all the way down until you find the option that says help. Simply tap on that, and now all you gotta do is tap on help center. And once you are here, all you gotta do is tap on report a problem, and then tap on report a problem once again, then tap on don't include and continue. And here what you need to do is briefly explain as simply as possible about your problem, like hello Instagram, not everyone can message my account, so please fix this issue, so or something like this, and then tap on send. And after a couple of business days, the Instagram will reach you and then fix your issue. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.